channel. So today I am going to show you or take you through my day to show you what I eat in a day. I try to eat as healthy as possible. I'm definitely not a health guru or by any means like a dietitian, but I do my research and I try to eat as healthy as possible, especially during this quarantine or whatever. I'm trying not to come out looking too fluffy. These things are what I eat when I'm trying to, you know, not gain weight, not go too heavy. And then when I eat like this plus working out, it's how I definitely like lose weight or stay in shape. I just woke up, so we are going to, of course, start with breakfast. What I typically do is I've been up for like 2 hours already. I wait about 2 hours to eat. Not intentionally, really. It does have its health benefits, but really I'm just not that hungry when I first wake up. I have to like pray and get my mind right, check emails, things like that in the bed, and then I finally get up. And 2 hours later, here I am. Now I can finally eat. So we are going to start with breakfast. So stay tuned and let's get right to it. For breakfast, what we're gonna do is what I like to call a power bowl, because it has blueberries, which are great for you, and hemp seeds and agave, and it's so delicious. It's really sweet but nutritious and a great way to start the day. This is definitely a quick breakfast and one of my favorites lately. Hemp protein powder, and I promise you cannot taste it, so don't worry. It's definitely green, but we're just gonna sprinkle a good amount in there. I don't measure, but about that much. Then we're gonna take our chia seeds, pour a good amount in there as well. I promise y'all it's good. Cut into slices. Half a banana is all you need. Then you're gonna take a handful of organic blueberries. And just plop that in the bowl. Okay, so this is what it looks like thus far. Now we're gonna take our sweetener. We just did like a little bit in there, and now we take our almond milk and pour, and it's gonna absorb some of the almond milk, so I just keep pouring until I can still kind of like see it, until I can see it like floating to the top. That's when I stop. You see how much almond milk we have in there, chia seeds, banana. I promise y'all it's so good. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. There we have it. We have our protein-filled, antioxidant-filled, great bowl to start the day. And y'all, it's so sweet. All right, so now we have our bowl. I just mix it all up. It's sweet. Cinnamon, it's so sweet. My to-do list is crazy for today. Once I reach that half mark, it'll be lunchtime, and I'll meet you guys back here for lunch. Toodles. Hey guys, so a couple hours have passed. So I'll show you guys what I typically eat for like a snack. So today, you know, we gotta keep our immune systems intact, gotta get that vitamin C in. So this is what I have. So we have some juicy juicy oranges. And we have our daily vitamins. This is black seed oil is the 2 yellow ones, and then the 2 green colored ones are multivitamins, and then the green single one, this one is chlorophyll, which has like chlorophyll and spirulina and all that good stuff. So gonna snack on our oranges and take our vitamins, drink our water, and that is snack. Hey guys, so now it is lunch. Got some work done, had a little snack y'all saw, and for lunch today we are going to have a kale salad with cucumbers and a whole bunch of other good stuff. So I'll show you right now. Let's get to it. We are going to put our kale. The kale, it looks like a lot, but trust me, just like spinach, it's gonna go down. This is how the kale looks. And it's pretty tough right now. It's pretty fresh. So this is how you make a good kale salad. You're gonna take a little bit of olive oil, so about that much is all you need, not a lot. So I'll probably say that's like, I don't know, tablespoon. And literally, you're just gonna start like smushing it together and massaging it. And then once you see you start massaging it, it kind of like goes, it kind of shrinks a little. The bowl isn't as full, but just look how that looks. That goodness. And what I also like to do is take out the hard stems. Like the small stems like this, I'll leave, but like the big stems, I take out. Now we're gonna add this mixture. Mix this together. I think these are English cucumbers, so they cut pretty easily. We got our cucumber in there. Now we are going to do some carrots. Take some of the cranberries. I'm gonna take some salt and pepper. Not a lot. I always forget. So this is Trader Joe's carrot ginger miso dressing, and it's so good for you. It's vegan. It's literally only like carrots, scallions, vinegar. It's so good. It kind of tastes like I guess just like Asian, like an Asian dressing, ginger. Lemon in here. Oh, I can't see. Sorry. Squeeze some good old lemon juice. I have my salad that I'm about to eat for lunch, and then I have this for tomorrow. The lemon adds like a freshness to it, plus you got the salt balancing it out, and the pepper and the Brussels sprouts to add that crunch. It's so fresh. Like I can eat this and like still be productive. Like I'll be full and satisfied, but I won't be like sluggish, you know. And this is the best type of like food to eat when you're working from home. So yeah, got the cranberries. Oops. Got the cranberries and all that for taste. For sweetness, the cranberries and the almonds got that protein. So I'm about to finish this up. Drink my kombucha. Then finish up some work. Until dinner time, and then we can wind down. So I'll see you guys back here very soon. Hey guys, welcome back. So it is 6:30 and I'm about to prepare dinner for tonight. Tonight I am going to be doing a salmon teriyaki bowl, and it's going to include some brown rice, salmon of course, and different veggies. So it's definitely a good healthy meal, and it's really my go-to when it comes to a quick dinner meal. So let's get right into dinner. Got my carrots, broccoli, red onion, mushroom, and garlic. I decided not to do the spinach because I think there's enough veggies for one dish. I'm gonna make 2 slices of the salmon flavored for this dish, and then 2 I'm gonna flavor for the rest of the week. So I'm gonna do 2 separate seasonings for the 4 slices, if that makes sense. And I have the oven preheated right now on 425. I only season one side, not on the skin, because I take the skin off when I'm done, when it's cooked. There's some pieces of garlic. So I'm gonna put this chili sauce on the one for tonight. So some of this Food Network teriyaki sauce. 2 slices, I know it looks messy, but these 2 slices are for tonight, and then these are for the rest of the week. Or I season the salmon for the rest of the week and I put that in the fridge to the side. We got our salmon for tonight in the oven. We got our rice still cooking right here. I'm gonna check that in a minute. And so now we're about to saute the veggies. This has been boiling for a minute. I added like a tablespoon of butter just for flavor. And then now I'm just going to let the water run out some, because it looks like it's probably done. It just needs to let out the water, so you just take the top off to let the water out. So we're just gonna start with our garlic. So we're gonna wait until our garlic, a piece of onion going in. Gonna wait until our garlic gets a little brown. Got our rice on. And notice that I have not stirred the rice yet. You don't want to stir rice when it's still cooking. It'll just mess everything up, so you just let it keep simmering until the veggies get a little soft. You can see that our veggies are cooking. I'm just going to add a little bit of soy sauce. That's about it. So I don't want it to be too salty. Yum, yum, yum. Smells amazeballs. I added some of the chili sauce. I've had teriyaki sauce that tastes way better than this, so I'm literally just gonna add that much. Like, I just want a hint, because it's not all that good. So that's it for the veggies. Hey guys, so y'all literally hung out all day with me. My face is oily by now, and I had a good productive day, so cheers to that. My last sister got me to try the Stella Black. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really a fan, because I like dry wines now. I'm like mature. And this tastes like grape juice, too sugary. Stella Black, and it's like slightly carbonated. It's not my jam, but I don't waste, so we're gonna finish it. But we have our salmon bowl. Yummy, yummy. And I mean, the salmon is cooked to perfection. I just topped it with parsley just for garnish, but yes, let's taste. We got our rice. Make sure we get some salmon up in here. Y'all hear that? The broccoli is crunchy. Vegetables, mushroom, carrots. What more can you ask for? Onions, garlic, all the good foods that we need right now. I baked the salmon at 425 for 15 minutes. Let me take a picture of mine. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed me or enjoyed eating with me today. If you try any of these meals out, let me know. Let me know what you typically eat and what you're eating right now, like throughout the day during this quarantine. I hope you guys liked this video. If you like this kind of content, let me know, because I love cooking and I love just doing stuff like this. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video if you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.